In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Dear learners, welcome to all of you on the online English grammar class of Bagapur School and College. After the Holy Eid al-Adha, I again come to you with the wishes of happy days to come. I'm Mr. Shahidul Haq, conducting today's online class on change of speech. I think you have somewhat knowledge about these topics. If you have no ideas about it, I hope this class will greatly help you. So let's start. Direct speech is the speech which is exactly narrated by the speaker. On the contrary, indirect speech is a speech which is spoken or narrated by another person to the audience with some changes of direct speech. Here, the two sentences, he said to me, I went to your house yesterday, and he told me that he had gone to my house the previous day. Both sentences convey the same message. If we look of the two sentences, then we see that second sentence is somewhat changing. Okay, now we'll follow what changes here occurred. So please listen and try to understand the topics. Now, in this point, we have to know what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. Here in a sentence, we see he said to me, said. Said is a reported verb, but the portion which is kept under inverted comma here is called the reported speech. If we see this sentence, indirect speech, we see that some changes here. We use told instead of said to. Then here inverted comma must be omitted, and in exchange of it we use a connector, that is that. For the reason of that, this is the assertive sentence. And remember that in the reported speech must be changed into assertive sentence. Here person is changed, I is changed, he. According to rules of person change, first person follow the subject and second person follow the object. Here I followed he, so we kept here he. Secondly, we see in the reported speech went, this is past form of verb. If we change this, we have to change it past perfect tense. So we had gone to. Here another person, so it should be changed my house. And a word, that is yesterday, it should be changed. Yesterday is changed the previous day. Look, in the second sentence, we see the reporting verb is in the present form. So here in inverted comma, this reported speech, the tense of reported speech must not be changed. That means here this is the present perfect tense, and after changing it in indirect speech, it is the same as present perfect tense. Okay, we have got some points here. Now we'll discuss about these points. Okay, after analyzing these sentences, we'll got some points The points are as below. Number 1, change of word. Number 2, change of person. Number 3, change of verb. Number 4, change of sentence. Number 5, change of reporting verb according to sentence. Number 6, putting a connector according to sentences in the reported speech. Okay, now I am going to discuss within a short period of time about these topics. Okay, here some words to be changed. Number 1, we have to change nearest meaning word into distant meaning word. Here, look, repeat after me. Come, go, ago, before, now, then, here, there, this, that, these, those. Yesterday, the previous day. Tomorrow, the next day. Tonight, that night. Today, that day. This change should be occurred in these rules. Okay, now we are going to the next chapter. Okay, secondly, we have to change the person. Person in the reported speech should be changed in accordance with the subject and object of the sentence. Here, first person will follow subject, second person will follow object, third person will not be changed. Okay, we are going to the third rules. In this page, I am discussing about the change of verb. If the reporting verb is past, reported speech must be changed correspondingly into the past. Changes are as follows: present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous will be unchanged. B. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, there will be no change of the tense of reported speech. That means if the reporting verb is present or future, there will be no change. C number. It's an exceptional rule. If the reported speech expresses universal truth or habitual fact, then the sentences will not be changed in spite of the reporting verb being the past. Okay, now I am discussing about changes of sentences. Different sentences may be in the reported speech, but they all will be changed into assertive sentence. If the sentences are interrogative, imperative, optative or exclamatory, it will be changed into assertive sentence. Okay. Next, and the 5 number, reporting verb said will be changed according to the sentences are in the reported speech. The rules are as follows. In assertive sentence, said not should be changed, or you may use instead told. Interrogative sentence, we use asked or inquired of. Imperative sentence, we use different word, told, request, ordered, advised, command, proposed to. Optative sentence, prayed, and exclamatory, we use exclaimed with sorrow, or exclaimed with joy, or exclaimed with wonder. Okay, last number I'm going to discuss. Number 6, inverted comma will be left out, and instead we have to use connector according to the sentences are in the reported speech. If the sentences are assertive, optative and exclamatory, we use that. If the sentences are interrogative, then we use if or whether. And regarding imperative, we use infinitive to, or sentences with let connector, we use connector that, and this should be remembered if we want to perform the changing task. Okay. Dear learners, for your better understanding, now I am giving some examples of various sentences. Here, Rani said to me, I have done my home task. We have to change this direct speech into indirect speech. Firstly, we have to use Rani, and then instead of said, we have to use told. Rani told me. Now, inverted commas will be left out. Inverted commas will be left out, and instead we use a connector. As it is assertive sentence, we have to use that. Then, now, this is person, first person, so we have to use subject, pronoun, use she. Then this is the sentence of present perfect tense, so you have to change it past perfect. So you have to write down she had done my should be changed, my, her home task. Okay, I think you have understood the matter. Next, I am going to interrogative sentence. The sentence in the direct speech. The man said to me, did you go there yesterday? Did you go there yesterday? We have to write down the man asked me. If the sentence is in the interrogative sentence, then we have to use asked instead of said to. The man asked me, and as a connector, we have to use if. The inverted commas must be left out, and after connector we have to use sentences, the changing subject of the changing form. You denotes me, so I, and this is the past indefinite tense, so I have to change it past perfect tense. I had gone there. Yesterday should be changed into the previous day. The previous day. Okay, the sentence is fully. The man asked me if I had gone there the previous day. Now we come to imperative sentence. Here, he said to me, do it at once. Okay. He, indirect, he said to me, said instead of said to, use told me or ordered me. Inverted commas must be omitted, and we use to instead of it. Then we have to put the rest of the sentence at once. Then the sentence stands, he told me to do it at once. Okay. In this phase, we'll discuss about optative sentence. Father said to his son, may Allah bless you. Okay, we will use in indirect. Father prayed for his son that connector must be that subject Allah, verb should be changed into past, modal past, might bless him. The sentence in the changing form in indirect sentence, father prayed for his son that Allah might bless him. Okay, let's start the exclamatory sentence. At the last part of the video, I am now discussing about exclamatory sentence. Here is a sentence of direct speech. Hasina said, what a beautiful flower the rose is. Here it is exclamatory sentence. We can easily realize the exclamation sign. Okay, now we have to write down Hasina exclaimed. We use exclaimed with exclaimed with wonder. Instead of said, in the exclamatory sentence we use exclaimed with wonder. We have to left out inverted comma. Instead we use connector that. We have to bring subject the rose, that the rose is very beautiful. Okay, I finished my job. A lot of thanks to the learners who are patiently watching my video. I think this video will make you perfect in regarding the change of speech. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you may have the opportunity of getting another video. If you have any questions, go to the comment sections and leave your questions. I'll try to answer you. I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, you will be whole and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. See you inshallah.